good, but my name BCD. This is BCD Raps. Got a new video for the homie Whitney Avalon. This one is the Harley Quinn, and the Birds of Prey, Princess Rap Battle. Explicit version, of course. It should be dope. Y'all haven't seen Birds of Prey. It's one of the. I'm a very big Harley Quinn fan, so I'm not gonna say it's one of the best. It's one of the best movies right now. Along with Bad Boy, but I haven't seen Bad Boys yet. But I heard other people say it's a dope movie. But yeah, it's one of the early contenders right now for best movie of the year to me. But it's so early, so that's why I said to me. We still got Fast 9, Black Widow, Wonder Woman, New Mutants, Mulan. We still got that's in the next 2-3 months. So we still got plenty of movies to put ahead there. And A Quiet Place too. But yeah, man. But this is a rap battle. It should be good. This should be really dope. Before we get into it, go ahead and drop a like for your boy. Click somebody you want to see more on Village or Family. Comment what y'all want me to react to. As always, the original link will be in the description. So go check out at Whitney Avalon official channel. So her some love, support. Don't forget to click the notification bell. We're going to put everything in full screen. Watch, man.
This video is sponsored by Warner Brothers. Princess Rap Battle?
Starring me,
Hey.
Harley freaking Quinn.
Ain't you the Joker's girl?
Actually, we broke up. It was very mutual, and I am not at all upset.
Okay.
Come and pay your respects. I am crazy, complex. You have this anarchist protagonist met a villainous ex. It all started back when I was Dr. Harlan Quinzel.
Oh, that's
clinical
dope.
Psychologist. The gist is, I fell for a...
That's dope. That's really. I wonder how she's gonna tie in the therapist. Not therapist, but her PhD background stuff.
felon. Clearly criminally insane, and then I fell into a vat that changed my skin tone and my name. I may have lost my mind, but now I'm back on the grind. This little monster's free, and she's no longer defined as the sidekick, a side chick of the rogue that oppressed her. Harley Queen's holding court, and I don't need a jester.
Ooh.
Been through denial, depression, bargaining, and now I'm just pissed. I'm putting to do what I wanna at the top of the list. I've never been a quitter, cause my heart's full of glitter. No one can stop me.
There she is. Get her.
Ah!
Ooh. Yeah, the Huntress. She looks just like her. Yeah, I watched the movie.
Who are you?
Do you know who I am?
I literally just asked, so no.
Oh, call me Huntress. The daughter who uncannily survived the brutal massacre when mobsters killed my family, so now I pay respects with every shot that connects. Badass assassin putting bullets through their necks. A smoke show with a crossbow, and I constantly embarrass these bozos who oppose the secret Bertinelli heiress. Payback's my motive and my methods are vicious, cause these spaghetti slurping slimeballs about to sleep with the fishes. I murder mafiosos, so mofos, and I'm out for revenge.
See, that kind of moxie means we gotta be friends.
I don't really have friends.
Well, you do now, honey. Oh, let's go get some drinks bought with someone else's money.
Alright, Black Canary. Right? Yeah, get at the bar. Yep, Black Canary. Okay.
Bartender, a couple shots. Put it on Roman's tab.
Make it 3.
Oh.
Dinah, how you been?
What the cat dragged in? I haven't seen you since the split. How you holding up, Quinn?
Fantabulous and fabulous. Full steam ahead.
Then it's a crying shame that my boss wants you dead.
What else is new?
But without your ex's protection, he'll peel that pretty face up for his private collection.
Oh, so now you belong to Mr. Roman Sionis?
That spoiled rich dickhole only wishes he owned this. Sassy songbird siren stuck here sitting waiting my turn. Thinking someday soon I'll have to rise up and burn. This whole crooked, wicked criminal down to the ground. I swear on my mama's grave I wanna clean up this town. When the vocalist crescendos, you know that I end.
Bro, she gotta sing, bro. She gotta sing, bro.
Windows, I'm tough, but can't make enough change on my own.
I don't see why you should have to do it alone.
Sure, like you take my side if I decided to quit.
Yep, and my mobster killing friend here is fucking legit.
You know, you're the first soprano I haven't wanted to whack.
I could stand to have a gal like you watching my back.
I swear to Zod, we're 3 peas in a pod.
We're missing
A girl gang in Gotham, can we please plumb his quad?
Alright, Quinn, I'm in.
Sweet, what's the plan?
plan. We send them a message and stick it to the man.
Oh, you mean Roman?
You got dirt on that jerk?
Years of it.
Perfect.
This might actually work.
He'll be here
This
soon.
is dope,
There's
bro.
no time to waste.
Having friends is fun.
Let's cut to the chase.
Black Mask. Oh, is he about rap? Wow, he not about rap. Okay. Hold on, beat switch. Ooh.
Wake up, Roman. Good morning.
Pay attention, dipshit. This is your only warning.
Oh, why does he look so grumpy?
He'd look prettier if he smiled.
Possible personality disorder from being dropped as a child.
If you want him dead, I'll make it look like a hit.
Hell, I told this fuck myself, but I've been trying to quit.
No, this'll be a blast. We don't have to hold back. Just a one-sided battle rap emancipation diss track.
That's dope. I like that, bro. They did.
What an original gangsta, big fan. Gotta ask, are you the first dude in Gotham to hide behind a black mask?
Consider this my resignation. I'm done working for freaks. You don't get 2 weeks. Y'all can kiss both cheeks.
And put a leash on Zaz, that little scarred up spaz.
That's sycophancy. This is really all that he has.
You're a self-obsessed narcissist, a thin-skinned goon who went bankrupt while choking on Daddy's silver spoon.
Here's the message, Sionis. Let us be perfectly clear. Stay out of our way or you might disappear.
I'm Harley freaking Quinn with a brand new crew, leaving clowns in the dust and the joke's on you. I'm crazier and fearless and I goddamn
This is
guarantee
dope,
all of
bro.
Gotham scared of you when they should be scared of me.
That's me, like. Okay then. Evidence. I about to say we missing Mendoza, Cassandra Cain.
So now what?
Oh, wanna go see a movie?
That's dope. That's dope. When they did a very excellent job, bro. I love it. Very dope. Y'all gotta see this movie first to get all this stuff. But like I said, I'm pretty sure a lot of people seen it. It was dope. Whitney Avalon and the whole crew did their thing on this. Y'all enjoy my rest clip. Those are both for your boy. Click sub, buddy, with your family. Comment, tell what you think about the video. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Don't forget to share all your family and friends. Shout out to Whitney Avalon, the whole crew. And I'll see y'all next one, man. Peace. That was fire. That was.
Eagle double G. Top dog by them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up.